When it comes to old school cool, it doesn't get much better than a vintage Jeep. Comfortably accommodating 4 passengers and boasting the ability to conquer almost any terrain, these fabled off-roaders combine the best characteristics of a vintage truck with the straight-up utility of a military-spec runabout. Nearly every iconic Jeep has a following, but the legendary CJ is arguably the most sought-after 4x4 of all time. Introduced in 1954 as a more civilian-friendly unit, the CJ5 was billed as the universal Jeep that could serve as the world's most useful vehicle. This 1980 model wraps all that worldly swagger in a detailed ground-up restoration that, according to its professional restorer, is founded on solid one-owner sheet metal. Inside, you'll find an airy cockpit that's clean and taut. Familiar Levi's buttons adorns the bucket seat interior. Front and center, a Jeep-branded dash frames rebuilt factory gauges. Clean carpet traces factory shifters, and the driver spins a tilting Jeep steering wheel. Hoist the hood and you'll find 304 cubic inches of proven AMC V8 power that, thanks to a comprehensive rebuild, sports a professional 30 overbore. Power meets the pavement through a reliable 4-speed transmission, which rides between professionally rebuilt 10 and 12-bolt axles. Sporting a solid body, timeless paint, trick vinyl, and a stout drivetrain, this sweet Jeep literally has it all. Looking for a high-riding head-turner with great performance and serious appeal? Your search is officially over. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.